Hey guys, it's Leverdo1 here. Welcome back to another episode of Universe Sandbox 2. As you can see, or maybe not, I don't know if I'll actually edit the video in, but I am trying out a webcam, a Microsoft webcam from 2006 or something, so I was just a wee little lad when that thing was up-to-date technology. But what we're going to do today is we're going to recolor the solar system. You'll get to see my beautiful stuttering face in beautiful, 240p as we do it. So let us start. Actually, let's see if we can do anything with the sun. As you might have noticed, there has been a recent update to Universe Sandbox, so we're gonna give this a try. Though I don't know how crazy we want to get with this because we'll probably confuse. Oh boy. We'll confuse the other views. Alright. I like this. Let's try something dim. But not too dim. Something kind of gray. Like everyone on Earth is just wondering, oh man, the sun's gray and purple, and that's kind of sad. Next up, yeah, as you can see over here for planets, the options are a little bit better. You have interface color. You have surface colors, atmosphere color, cloud color. These two don't really matter for Mercury because Mercury neither has an atmosphere nor does it have clouds. I mean, it does have an atmosphere. It's got a bit of sodium that just flares up from time to time, but that is besides the point. It's got your classic 3-color system here. You can change up. Got. Let's see. I always thought Mercury needed to be a little spicier, I didn't actually ever think that up until now, but it's alright. It's alright. Let's see. I think we can stick to a black here. Maybe a brownish black. Just to make it pop, See, this is a Mercury color that I like. Oh boy, that's a lot of days per second. Let's slow this down a bit. So now you got your beautiful Mercury. I'm curious. Let's give Mercury a little moon here. I want to see. Oh boy. I want to see how we can do it with this. Guess it briefly had water on it or something. Surface colors, default. Alright, doesn't look like it has anything that would make it interesting, but let's also give it a little asteroid here. A little smaller moon, I guess, except it doesn't seem to be gravitationally bound. Oh, it does, huh? Guess I was just on the wrong view. Actually, I think trails might be better, so it's not train wrecking my screen. And I've said this before, but the asteroids look really good now. They used to not look nearly as good. Let's see, what is this called? Ineater. Almost like Inator. Got Venaqui. Alright, on to Venus. Now here's where things ought to shine. You can do atmosphere color, cloud color, and surface colors. So surface colors I think we're going to leave alone because that doesn't matter that much, but cloud colors give something interesting. So you can see the clouds are a little hard to spot in the thick hazy atmosphere of Venus, but let's give this a little more flair, some fanfare. I think we have to do a light color. We'll make the screen darker so it's got a better contrast. Yeah, there we go. Now you can actually see the clouds. That's nice. Let's look at the surface colors. What are the default ones? Let's make it. I did say this didn't matter, but you know what? It's emotionally important to me. Let's give it sort of a fake out color scheme, where some poor lad not looking at any of his readings might touch down on the planet and think, hey, this looks pretty habitable from space, but nope, it's a burning awful furnace, which is what Venus is. Now, Earth, our boy, beautiful. Lights are really good, but you know what? We're gonna have to change these up. First off, let's say we've made it to the modern era, or not the modern era. Let's say we're in the future and everything is powered by T-Mobile. That's the future, my friends. Now, let's see. We have a good view of the atmosphere and the clouds. Yep, this is a cyberpunk universe. Clouds are yellow on Earth because of pollution or something, I don't know. And make the atmosphere nice and brown. Let's make it a little more. Let's go right here. There we go. It's T-Mobile Wally World. Also, the moon is not in this simulation for whatever reason. So let's give the Earth another moon. Anax, that's the name of a Magic the Gathering card. Which I don't think is something you guys care about too much, but it's something you'll need to know in life. Alright, let's make Anax red, like the card. Bloody and edgy. Alright, okay, that just looks like a petri dish, tissue sample of some kind. Alright, let's make our way out a bit further. I'm thinking of making this a longer video, just because I haven't uploaded in a bit. You guys deserve better. Mars. Let's satisfy the dreams of Elon Musk. We've terraformed Mars before, but we'll do it again. Composition. We need the atmosphere. Let's fix that for you. Now, let's just set this to 20 because we're lazy. Well, that temperature is plummeting. That's okay, we'll compensate by that way, hopefully it'll get a little better. Atmosphere, yep, maybe a lighter blue, that's probably fine. Cloud color, white. Don't see a lot of clouds. Maybe we need more water. Water. Oh boy, that might be a bit too much water. That's fine. Surface. Sphere, surface colors, custom. High, yeah, white is fine for the high, middle. You know what we're gonna do? Mars is gonna be nice yellow because it's in the process of terraforming. we go. That looks nice, I guess. Let's see. It feels kind of plain, but maybe that's just because Mars has a lot of, I don't know, plain space, I guess. Let's spice this up. There we go. Now we got some oceans, appearance, city lights, illuminate, always, procedural. Alright, so it is habitable. Let's change up the thing here. Let's look at from the back. I want big cities. Yeah, big cities. Alright. And Mars is powered by Verizon in direct competition with Earth and violating the Geneva Convention. Yeah, I like that. That's Mars now. See, I like that you can change city lights colors now. That's really, really nice. I think that'll lead to some cool stuff, you know. All right, we're gonna skip this. This is gonna take quite a long time to do the asteroid belt, but oh boy, that is a thing. What is, let's just modify one. Here we go. Sure, yeah. Look at that. It's like Jupiter now has slowly being wrapped in blue rope. Very cool. What happens? Oh, that just removes things? Okay. Man, that's weird. So many bands. So yeah, Jupiter got some blue rope stuck around it. That's why it is the way it is. Saturn. And we should have included the moons in the simulation, but that's okay. You know, Saturn likes to be controversial. Saturn likes to post things on the internet that should not, and it also doesn't like Jupiter too much. So we're gonna just some green. See, this isn't a very scientific episode. It's the end of summer. My brain has slowly degenerated due to lack of any sort of activity that would make it work as it should. In other words, brain don't use, brain no work. Oh look, it's creative old Uranus. Who chose that name? That's a bad name. Another way of pronouncing it is ideal. It's like getting stuck between a rock and a hard. Oh right, Uranus has a weird angle of angles. Kind of forgot about that. You know what, we're gonna cut down on this to save some time. Bing 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 bing. Let's drop this down to like 15 bars. That'll make our work a bit quicker. And we got these three. There we go. Uranus has decided to go back to the counter of the 7-Eleven store, get a second flavor slushy mixed in. So that is how that is functioning here. You know, because just getting the blue isn't good. Just getting the red, that ain't good either. Finally, we have Neptune. I don't know, it's single band. What does changing the interface color do? Is that... Oh. See. I'm not gonna do that again. I don't like that. Yeah, that's really weird. Alright. Finally. Turns out you can also modify galaxies and how they look. Oh boy, my computer is not going to handle this well. Let's figure out the color. Let's see how this. It's kind of lame. You can only have one color across the entire galaxy. What a joke. An absolute joke. However, it might be fun to use this to be able to differentiate two galaxies. Launch. Elliptical galaxy. Oh, that's a tiny elliptical galaxy. That's alright. That is fine. That is just fine. Let's speed things up a bit. View. Let's not do trails. I do like how galaxies move. It's very nice. Is that really how spiral galaxies moved? That would be more of an arm moving. Arms moving around instead of being pulled inward. Oh well. Who knows? Let's pause. Can we center around the black hole? That way we won't have this. Alright, it's been getting close to the collision here. Assuming they actually pass through each other. Whoa. Alright, that didn't work quite. Oh. Huh. That happened, huh? See, what I was hoping would happen is that it would just kind of pass through. I mean, I think we kind of did that. Actually, let's see trails. Alright, looks like several clumps of nebulae got ejected, but interesting. Let's try it again. Let's try two spiral galaxies. We got LAD 1 and we need one bigger than that. Let's try two spiral galaxies. We're gonna launch this one at this one. Oh. Spawned very close. Alright, now we're gonna change the color of this one to be green. Although evidently not the whole galaxy got that message. Also, hold on, let's change the background. There we go. Because you wouldn't see a bigger galaxy surrounding a smaller one. Alright, we're gonna focus on this and now speed things up. Oh, we don't need trails, no. Speed things up, let them build some traction towards each other. Gonna kind of speed up. Alright, let's slow down here. Got the first sort of collisions happening here. It would be really nice if you had some like star forming just appearing along here when different gases at different speeds collide with each other. Usually creates a lot of star forming, a lot of star formation to my knowledge. Right, this might be a little too slow. Let's see. So we got kind of a side cut here. I assume the black holes are going to come near each other, but who knows? I don't think they'll merge though. So they didn't last time. We might want to look at what happened to the black hole a little closer this time. They are going to come close though. Alright, let's slow this down a bit. Speed things up just a tad. Oh boy, that's probably too much. Hold on. Oh, did they already pass each other? Oh man, alright. Unfortunate. I guess we'll just watch the rest of the merger then. Wonder if it'll become an irregular galaxy. Got a lot of spewing going on. That's really cool. Alright, why don't we speed things up a bit, watch how things play out. Yeah, this black hole has almost nothing left to its name. I suspect a lot of this darker stuff is just not going to ever come back, the stuff that's kind of fading here. Although this black hole seems to be regaining a little bit of material. That's really neat. Be nice if I could select something here. Alright, that is pretty cool. Simulation can't run any faster. Unfortunate. Just gonna watch. Yeah, you can still see some bits of the green galaxy. They're all getting mixed in. Oh, wait, what? What just happened? Did the other black hole come back? Oh my. No survivors left, huh? Let's slow down and see this. So there's the... Hold on, let's... I wonder if we can find an object. I think there's something that does that, but... Oh, you can reverse time? That's pretty cool. Alright, I think that will be it for today's episode. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. My face didn't appear in the video. I'm sorry. It probably is because the quality will not be good. Alright, Leverdo1, signing out.